Hey guys, today we're going to be making Asian barbecue chicken lettuce wraps.
Hi.
Hey guys, so grilling season is upon us and I wanted to share with you guys my Asian barbecue chicken and lettuce wraps. And they're super fun and easy to make, and it's like a buildable dish that's just, like I said, super fun and easy to make. And it's a marinated grilled chicken thighs served over some rice and lettuce and topped with the most delicious spicy sauce. So let's get started.
Let's get started.
All right. Okay, so first things first. Here I have about 3 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs, and you could use anywhere between 2 to 3 pounds. I am using 3 pounds today, and I trimmed them up. And what I like to do, because they all come in like different sizes, some are big and some are small, like this one's pretty big, is I like to cut them in half so that there's more surface area of the chicken that gets marinated. And the more marinade it absorbs, the more flavor it has. So I like to slice them in half. And see, this one's big. I'm gonna slice this one in half. Okay, so now that I have the chicken all cut up into smaller pieces, Aaron and Bradley are gonna go ahead and season it with some salt and pepper. You guys can do it at the same time, it's fine.
Double duty. Double duty.
They were fighting over who gets to do the salt and who gets to do the pepper, so I told them to switch midway.
Yeah, Bradley.
If you have more than one kid, you know that everything has to be fair.
It's not fair. How could you do this at ends?
All right. And I'm gonna go ahead and season the other side. All right, and go.
My name is Bradley. And my name is Aaron.
I think they know that by now. Okay, we're gonna get going on the marinade. And this marinade has the perfect balance between savory, sweet, and a little tang. And Aaron absolutely loves this chicken. It's one of his favorite recipes that I make, and it always feels good when my kids love my cooking. Okay, so first off, we're gonna need 1/3 cup of soy sauce. You could use whatever soy sauce that you like to cook with. The one I usually use, it's tamari. It basically tastes like kikkoman soy sauce. And then my dad uses this. It's coconut brand premium soy sauce, and he gets it from the Asian, well, I get it from the Asian market. He's the one that introduced me to the soy sauce, and it depends. Sometimes I use this, and sometimes I like to use this for marinades. But today, I'm gonna go with this soy sauce. So we're gonna need 1/3 cup here. You wanna hold it?
So is this for in case it spills?
Yes. Yes, just try to get it in there. Perfect, 1/3 cup. Okay, add that right in. Add it in. Oh, no, what are you doing? It's okay. Progress, not perfection. It's all gonna be mixed up in here anyway, so it's fine.
Okay.
On the next one. Okay, so I'm gonna also add, for a little tang, I'm gonna add.
He spilled some on me. Sorry.
That's okay, it's not you're fine, I don't even see it. I'm gonna add 1/4 cup of rice vinegar. You could also use regular white vinegar if that's what you have.
I will definitely not
I'll pour
put
it
in there.
It's fine, I don't know what that was. And that was just enough. I only have like a tiny bit left, so I have to buy some rice vinegar. And then you said you wanted to do the sugar, right, Bradley?
Yeah.
Okay. So we are gonna do
Sugar. I like to eat sugar.
brown sugar. Of course you love sugar.
Yeah.
Sugar is not the best for us, but once in a while it's fine.
Sugar.
Okay, here, go ahead and pour it in this bowl, Bradley.
Ooh, brown sugar by itself.
Go ahead, dump it right there.
Oh, sugar. Doink. Oh.
Okay.
Oh, sugar. Sugar's my home. What's between regular sugar and brown sugar? Hey, Mommy, I just love sugar.
Okay,
Yeah.
you love the difference between regular and brown is brown sugar has this thing called molasses in it.
Mommy, sugar. Is that better or worse?
It's just a different flavor. Where's my measuring spoons? It's a little chaotic in the kitchen today. Okay, so now we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of oil. 1,
Trillion.
2.
Trillion.
Okay, so now, last ingredient. You can use fresh garlic I'm a little lazy today to use fresh garlic, so
Okay.
I'm gonna use garlic powder. I'm gonna add 1.5 tablespoons. Okay, great job, Bradley.
Can I taste
Garlic powder does not taste good on its own, guys.
No, it does. It does. I
Can I
tried
taste
some
it?
Very weird. They want to eat garlic powder. It's not gonna hurt them, so I'll let them do it. Okay, they're gonna mix it until it's well combined.
No, you can do it after.
Okay, we are ready to add the marinade into the chicken.
Which I accidentally did.
It's fine. It's fine. It's all gonna be mixed together. So honestly, you could throw it into the bowl of chicken if you wanted to, but I like to mix it before I add it to the chicken. Okay, go ahead and mix that up. Oh, my hands are so sticky.
I'm gonna do it.
No, hold on. We're taking turns, remember?
Okay, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna give this a final mix, and then I'm gonna let it marinate for 4 hours. Typically, I like to do this the night before and let it marinate overnight, but today we are gonna have this for dinner. So we are gonna let it marinate in the fridge. We're gonna go to church, go run some errands, and then come back and cook this. You guys are ready to work on our dipping sauce?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and set this in the fridge for about 4 hours.
About. It'll be 3 hours, 59 minutes, 9 seconds.
Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get started with our dipping sauce. And this does have quite a bit of heat on it, so my kids are not gonna eat this, so this is optional. So we are gonna add some more soy sauce.
There you go.
Okay, here you pour, or yeah, I'll hold it. One, okay, let's not, next goes the water. So 2 tablespoons of water, so equal amounts of soy sauce and water. Okay, so lastly, for some heat, I'm gonna add some chili garlic paste. And the one I usually use has this green cap, but for some reason, I can't find this brand anywhere anymore. I think there's like a shortage. But I did find this one at Amazon Fresh, and it's Dynasty chili garlic paste. And so if you're able to find either or, both will work fine, or you can even use sriracha if you like. But this does add some great flavor. And we're gonna use about, depending on how hot you like it, I'm gonna add about 2 to 3 not tablespoons, that'll be very hot, 2 to 3 teaspoons. You wanna go ahead and add this one in? Okay, here, I'll just scoop it and then you go ahead and add it. I do like it a little spicy. Maybe I'll do 2.5. Okay. And then you just wanna mix it until it's well combined.
Hot sauce.
Okay, we are through with our dipping sauce, and see how easy it was? It was just water, a little soy sauce, a little chili garlic paste. I'm also gonna chop up some fresh cilantro. I normally don't include cilantro in my recipes. So yes, I normally don't include cilantro in this recipe, but I thought why not include it today, because I know it's gonna be really delicious in our lettuce wraps. So I'm just gonna go and give it a chop.
Yeah, I kind of want to use a knife for the 4th time in my life.
All right, good job. It takes a lot of practice.
Kind of. It feels weird because I'm just using a knife.
Yeah, okay. I think it's chopped enough, honestly. Doesn't have to be like super finely chopped. Okay, so it is, what time? 10 o'clock. So we are, 10:05, it's time to go to church. We're gonna go to church, we're gonna run some errands, and then later on, we are gonna grill our chicken and build our lettuce wraps. So we'll be back. See you later. Okay, so we're back. My chicken has been marinating for at least 4 hours, and then I have my grill heated to high heat, and we're gonna cook it for about 5 to 6 minutes per side until the chicken is completely cooked through. So these chicken pieces were not too big, so they only took about 5 minutes per side to completely cook through. Look, I found this little guy join me while I was cooking, and I wasn't surprised because we often find lizards in our backyard. During the taste test, I did build lettuce wraps, but if you click on the description below, I'll show you an alternative way to serve this, which is an Asian chicken, lettuce, and rice bowl. Okay guys, so our chicken is nice and cooked through, and now it's time to build our lettuce wraps. This is such a fresh tasting, satisfying dish that will definitely please everyone.
We're back and we're so hungry.
And hey guys, I'm doing Opera Hug.
What?
Art for Kids Hub.
Oh, Art for Kids Hub. He loves to draw, and he sits. It's like a YouTube video where they teach kids how to draw. It's a cool video if you have kids.
Yeah, they have like
check it out.
millions of subscribers.
Yes. And so I did build some lettuce wraps already because I took some photos of them, but I'm going to show you guys how to build them. I also added about 2 teaspoons of brown sugar to the sauce because it was tasting a little spicy to me, and it just kind of rounded out those flavors. Okay, so
spicy?
I have both. You could use whatever lettuce you desire. I have both red and regular romaine, and you could use bib lettuce, like I said, whatever lettuce you desire. And then what I like to do is put a little rice, some steamed rice. You could even use like leftover rice if you have. Because these are big chunks of chicken, I like to grab my shears, my cutting shears.
I thought those are scissors.
They are scissors, but you call them shears too. And then I like to cut them. And
That's like in 15.
so they're smaller, like bite-sized pieces. And then I'm gonna add a bit of cilantro for some more fresh flavor. And did Bradley go missing again? Okay, we'll just start without him. And
Bye,
a little bit of the
Bradley.
sauce. And then, like I said, adjust the spice according to your taste.
Yoink.
And then I'm just gonna fold this up like a little burrito.
Cheers, 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 cheers,
Okay.
cheers, cheers. Okay.
Ready?
Nom nom nom.
And cheers.
Oh. Delicious.
I think that was like the biggest bite I ever took of
cheers.
something. Okay, this was so good, you guys. You guys have to just try out this recipe. It just like everything goes well together. The lettuce with the rice and the chicken perfectly marinated. The sauce. I actually like it with the cilantro. If you want to try it out. And anything else you want to add? You look like your ear.
Subscribe.
Okay.
Subscribe.
Subscribe so she can have 1 million subscribers.
Yeah, that'd be nice.
And
You guys take care, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.
Take care.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, guys.
Okay, we're gonna eat.
I want to do video games.